Got some cornbread, scrap cornbread for the girls. Thought y'all would like to come out and see how they're doing before we get over to the hood, and I'll show you that. But look at them, they have grown so much. Wow, wind's been blowing too. Stand up all the stuff that blew down. Yeah, my wife's even got the coop decorated for fall. Hey girls, how you doing? This is one of the best things we did when I built this, was put in this Dutch door. You know, chickens are scared whenever something flies over their heads, but with that said, here you go girls. See who gets it first. Oh yeah, they love cornbread. Fred, our rooster right there, I come out, and we have a door over the coop, and if you don't want to hear all this stuff, you can just fast forward. I came out this morning to open it, because I have it set up where I can open it from the outside, and I heard something. Sounded like a little young dog trying to learn how to bark. Go, roar, 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 roar. And I'm like, what in the world is that? And I looked around, make sure there wasn't any dogs trying to get my chickens and everything. And I heard it again, so I paid attention this time because I had gotten closer. I'd gotten right up to the coop. Fred in there trying to learn how to crow. Yeah, that jugger's learning how to crow. He's going to be a handful. But out to the hood, that's what you're here for. Set the bag down so I can have some for him later. Now this jugger, it's been raining. Like I said, it's going to fall over anyway. Let's hang it up. This jugger, it's been raining. It's all you're going to see right now is beating because the shower's over unless some more comes after a while. But right here was the new formulation of the Seal and Shine. Back here was the ceramic slam. Up front was the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax, and back there was the Turtle Wax black wax. They're acrylic ceramic black wax. And as you can see, they're all beading really nicely. And what makes it so strange, if you go back and watch my video, and I'll be sure to put the link up there for you, this section right here with the Griot's Garage, I haven't touched it since I just brought it back out here and set it on the trailer just as is. As you can see, I haven't touched it. Got leaves all over it, dirt's all over it. Been raining on it, been sun shining on it. But in that video, this section would not sheet water at all. It was flat as can be. But I came out a little while after putting the hood back up. It rained. So I came back out and looked at it, and it's doing just like this. It is beading great. I mean, look at it. It is water beading just fine. But it would not sheet water to save its life. And then Turtle Wax came in third on that video. These two were tied, but the ceramic slam from Lithium Auto, it had a slight advantage at the time because as soon as the water would hit it, just start going off, just going, couldn't stay on there. The Seal and Shine was just behind. It would hit it and it would sit there for just a second and run off, hit, run off, hit, run off. The ceramic slam would go, gone. Just like that. But here's the update. I just wanted to bring you out here and show you what it's doing. I'm gonna tilt the hood up so we can see how well everything is sheeting or running off. So let's see how it does. Everything ran pretty good, except for up here where the Griot's was. You had one or two that ran right through there. But anyhow, everything is still beating. It's been about 3 weeks since I put it on, 3.5 weeks. Everything's still holding up. No, we don't have any losers as far as beating. Like I said, as far as sheeting out, there's got to be something with this hood. Because the wax is made to go on any surface. Doesn't matter if it's a sink, a toilet, a car, a truck, or a glass. It doesn't matter. It's supposed to go on there and it's supposed to do its job. But there's something about this hood or the polish that I used, and I got all that polish off. So there's got to be something going on with either that bottle that I have of the ceramic 3-in-1 or the actual paint on this hood. One of the two, because it will not sheet water off of this hood. Now off my red car, oh yeah, it'll sheet off like nobody's business, but it will not off this hood. And like I said, you can go back and check that video out. But as far as water beading, Water just sitting there, doing perfect, doing a wonderful job. Same as the turtle wax. So I'll wait on the next rain shower and try to come out while it's raining, because I just got home, and I'll show you exactly how the water is reacting once it hits on it. If not, this weekend I'll do another update video where I actually wash it and then rinse it again, and you can see how it reacts then. But until then, I'm going to get back inside. I got a couple car shows coming on that I've recorded last night I'm going to watch. Get that watched before tonight's presidential debate, because yes, I am very interested in that. And we'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know the old routine. I ain't even got to tell you what to do with it. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. I hope to see each and every one of you there. Thanks for watching.